Hello traders, welcome back to another Forex video. Today I will be showing you how to make an Outlook email that you can then use to make an XM Forex account. Share this with your friends and family so they too can learn to trade and earn a lot of money. But before we continue, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you find my content useful, and if you want to learn more about Forex, please share this with your friends and family so they too can earn lots from trading. All right, now on to the video. So firstly, we are going to make an Outlook account. To do this, we must first go to their page. The link address is outlook.com. Once you have opened their website, click the square with the text "Create Free Account" in it inside it. After you finish clicking it, it will send you to either the Create Account page or the Sign In page. If it takes you to the Sign In page, click the blue text that says Create One. After that, it will send you to the Create Account page. Once there, you are going to make your Outlook email and password. After you have finished all the steps, you have finally made an Outlook account. Finally, we have finished making the Outlook email. We can then use this when making the XM account. Now, we will head over to the XM page, follow the link which I have shown on the screen, or go to the description and click on the link. Once you are there, find the green button with the text "Start Trading" placed inside it. You must click that button to create an XM Forex account. After clicking the button, you will be taken to the next page. Here they will ask you for your country of residence, your email, and your password. Here you will use the Outlook email you made and password. Fill in your country of residence. Once done, check the small box just above the register button. Then you can now click the green register button. They will then send you an email to your Outlook email. So go to your Outlook email and find their email. Click the green button that says Verify Email. Now you have successfully made an XM account, but we are not done yet. Our XM account is not yet verified. To verify it, we must click the blue Verify Now button that you can find at the top of the page. On the next page, they will ask for your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. You must fill in the following so you can continue to the next part. After you have finished filling in, you can now click the blue Continue button. On the next page, they will ask you for your country of residence, address, city or town, street number, and postal code. As you have done before, fill in the following forms to continue to the next part. Once you have finished, click the blue button that says Add Financial Details. On the next page, they will ask you if you had any Forex education or traded at least 15 times in derivative products such as Forex or contracts for difference. Click Yes, and then you can continue. On the next page, they will now ask you for your personal documents to finalize your verification. You will need to prepare an identification ID and a proof of residence or a bill. Click the blue verification button to continue. After clicking the verification button, this page will appear. You can use your phone or whatever device you are using for this part as long as there is a camera. And now you are finished. Soon you will be able to trade and earn money using this account. Congratulations! To start trading, download their free MT5 platform and log in to start trading and earning a lot of money.
And before you go, once again, never forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. You can also check out my other videos if you're interested. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can start their trading journey and be able to earn for themselves too. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.